chapter trigonometry ratios up to transformations. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A Part 2. Last part completed introduction of the trigonometry ratios completed, trigonometry identities completed, trigonometry table completed, trigonometry ratios definition also be completed. Today discuss some more basic formulas. What that formulas? One formula is all silver teacups. Today discuss all silver teacups model. Here, before goes to all silver teacups, you can draw coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry having two axes. How many axes? Two axes. Suppose this one is the y-axis. You have to take this one is the x-axis. This one is x-axis. This one is y-axis. This one is the origin. In this two-dimensional coordinate geometry, divides the plane four quadrants. This one is the first quadrant. This one is the second quadrant. This one is the third quadrant. This one is the fourth quadrant. In this two-dimensional geometry, x-axis and y-axis are intersected origin. In this x-axis and y-axis are divided the plane four quadrants. This one is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. After that, the angle between these 90 degrees. The angle between these two also be 90 degrees. The angle between these two also be 90 degrees. The angle between these two also be 90 degrees. Total how many degrees? Total 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 90, 270. 270 plus 90. Total one complete rotation is equal to 360 degrees. After that, in this trigonometry ratios, angle always positive. If angle measurement is always positive, the direction of the angle is anti-clockwise direction. This is very important point. If the direction is anti-clockwise direction, trigonometry angle is positive. If the direction is clockwise direction, trigonometry angle is, measurement is negative. Here you can take positive angle, you get use direction anti-clockwise or counter-clockwise direction. Here total 360 degrees. In this first quadrant, suppose we have to take this one is 0 degrees. This one is how many degrees? 0, 90 degrees. 90 plus 90, this one is 180 degrees. 180 plus 90, this one is 270 degrees. 270 plus 90, this one is 360 degrees. Next, you can do that one complete rotation is 360 degrees. One more rotation you goes to 360 plus 360, 720. Nothing but 360 plus 90, 450. 450 plus 90, 540. 540 plus 90, 630. 630 plus 90, 720. Two complete rotations, 720. One complete rotation, 360 degrees. This is a very useful. After that, here 0 degrees, 90 nothing but 5 by 2 radians. 180 nothing but 5 radians. 270 nothing but 3 pi by 2 radians. This is 270 degree. This is 3 pi by 2 radians. Here 360 nothing but 2 pi radians. After that, this is the complete rotation angles are this 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees are called quadrant angles. Which angles? Quadrant angles. After that, in this first quadrant, theta value lies between 0 to 90. Theta value 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 90 degrees in the first quadrant. First coordinate angle lies between 0 to 90, included 0 to 90. After that, In second quadrant, 90 to 180. Here, second quadrant angle lies between 90 to 180 and included 90 and 180. After that, in third quadrant, 180 to 270, 180 to 270 degrees, 180 to 270 degrees lies between third quadrant. Fourth quadrant, 270 to 360 degrees. 270 to 360 degrees. This is a very useful quadrant angles. First quadrant lies 0 to 90 degrees. Second quadrant 90 to 180. Third quadrant 180 to 270. Fourth quadrant 270 to 360. More than 360 degrees. 1 second goes to first quadrant, or similarly second, third, fourth. This is the angle between the quadrants. After that, in this first quadrant, 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta lies on which quadrant? First quadrant. In second quadrant, 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. Here 90 minus theta lies on first quadrant, 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. These two angles lies on second quadrant. After the third quadrant, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. This angle belongs to third quadrant. Next, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. These angles are lies fourth quadrant. Similarly, 360 plus theta lies on first quadrant. 360 plus theta lies on first quadrant. This is very useful. What is the first one? 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta, first quadrant. 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, second quadrant. 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, third quadrant. 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta lies on fourth quadrant. After that, this is the quadrant. This is the first quadrant, this to second, this to third, this to fourth quadrant. After that, in first quadrant, all ratios are positive. All ratios are positive. Nothing but sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. These 6 ratios are positive in first quadrant. In second quadrant, sine, reciprocal, cosecant, theta, both are positive. Sine, cosecant, both are positive. Remaining 4 ratios are negative. What is that remaining 4? Cos, tan, cot, secant. These 4 ratios are negative. Sine and cosecant are positive. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. Which one is positive? Tan and cot are positive. Remaining 4 ratios are negative in third quadrant. In fourth quadrant, secant and cos are positive. Secant and cos are positive. Remaining all negative. Secant and cos are positive. Remaining all negative. Remaining are nothing but remaining 4 ratios are negative. This is the fourth quadrant. This first quadrant, all ratios are positive. You can write all. In second quadrant, sine, that reciprocal of sine cosecant is positive. That's why you can write a symbol silver. Silver, nothing but sine positive. You can write first letter S, silver. Next, third quadrant, tan, that reciprocal of tan cot is positive. What is the tan first letter? T. Nothing but T or silver T. Next, in fourth quadrant, cos secant positive. What is the first letter of the cos? C. Nothing but cos. This is the shortcut method. All silver T cos. Here, all nothing but the first quadrant. Silver nothing but the second quadrant. T is nothing but the third quadrant. Cups nothing but the fourth quadrant. This is the all silver tea cups. This name is all silver tea cups. In this all silver tea cups, explained all. Suppose 90 plus theta lies on which quadrant? Second quadrant. 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. 360 plus theta, first quadrant. 180 plus theta, third quadrant. 180 minus theta, second quadrant. 90 minus theta, first quadrant. This is the explanation of all silver teacups. In this all silver teacups, 90 to 70 degrees are odd degrees, odd functions. 90 and 270 degrees are odd functions. In these odd functions, trigonometry ratios are changed. Trigonometry ratios are changed. Which function changed? Odd function changed. Which one is changed here? Sine. Sine by implies cos. What is the meaning of sine by implies cos? Sine is cos. Cos is sine. Similarly, tan by implies cot. What is the meaning of tan by implies cos? Cot. Tan is cot. Cot is tan. Similarly, secant by implies cosecant. Nothing but secant is cosecant. Cosecant is secant. In this which function? Odd function. What is the odd functions? 90 and 270 degrees. 90 degrees to 70 degrees are odd functions. In these odd functions, trigonometry ratios are changed in this way. After that, 180 and 360. 180 and 360 degrees are even functions. Which functions? Even function. Which one is even? 180 degrees and 360 degrees are even functions. In these even functions, trigonometry ratios are unchanged. Trigonometry ratios are unchanged. What is the meaning of unchanged? Unchanged nothing but sine is sine, cos is cos, tan is tan, cot is cot, secant is secant, cosecant is cosecant. Which function? Even function. Which degrees are even? 180 and 360 degrees are even. This is the concept of all silver teacups. This is very useful. You can solve the trigonometry problems. Next, suppose theta having negative angle, nothing but theta direction is clockwise direction. Theta direction is clockwise direction, that is measurement of the angle is negative. Suppose minus theta, sine of minus theta, what? Cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta, cot of minus theta, secant of minus theta, cosecant of minus theta. But here theta direction having clockwise direction. In this clockwise direction, the measurement of theta is negative. Sine of minus theta what? Sine of minus theta minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta cos theta. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta. Cot of minus theta minus cot theta. Secant of minus theta secant theta. Cosecant of minus theta minus cosecant theta. These are the measurement of angle is negative. We can use these formulas. In this trigonometry ratios, cos and secant are even functions. Remaining are odd. These two are even. Remaining functions are odd functions in the trigonometry ratios.